Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Today is Saturday, and today is the quiet day. It's the loner day, the loner. It's a very conservative day, you know. It's not a day to necessarily go too crazy, although once in a while you can. There's a special reason for that, which maybe I'll speak about next Saturday. But anyway, be a little more withdrawn today, a little more inward, a little more quiet. Play some drums today. You have a drum? Play it. If you have a musical instrument like this, oh, a drum is a musical instrument too. Sorry, drummers. If you, if you have another musical instrument, you can play the interval of the sevenths. Seventh. In the key of D. That's what Saturday vibrates to. Major 7, dominant 7. It's a very grounded day. It's just a day to kind of be a monk. Especially if you have this spiritually. Makes you like a spiritual loner, a renunciate, almost. I happen to have it in my career. So I tend to get a lot of work stuff done on a Saturday. And also being a musician, even if you're not working any other night of the week, you're usually working on a Saturday. So hello to my Hatha yogis out there, loners, spiritually, Natane, Edward. As I said, I have it in career. Susan has it in career. So get some work done today. I'll read a little bit from the great spiritual loner, Alan Watts. You know, the loner can be associated with guilt, too, especially spiritually. Guilt can come up a lot. So he says, no work of love will flourish out of guilt, fear, or hollowness of heart. Just as no valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. Everything we want to do right needs to come from a place of good intentions and close attention to the present. So then the relationship of the self to other is the complete realization that loving yourself is impossible without loving everything defined as other than yourself. Burn some frankincense incense today. The scent of the day. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. Man suffers only because he takes seriously what the gods made for fun. Yeah, you may have the loner in your fun area in your blueprint, the creative play area. So you can have fun too, just in a more inward way, in a quieter way, in a little bit more of a conservative way, in a more grounded way. So I hope you have a nice, quiet, inward day today.